Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the complete Power BI desktop interface. I will explain every component available in Power BI. It is the first step to know the Power BI UI interface and tell you exactly what each one is used for. If you are a beginner, this video will help you understand the Power BI workspace before building reports and dashboards. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to open Power BI by double click. This is the first page we got from Power BI. I am going to click on blank report so that I will directly go to the Power BI window. This is our Power BI desktop edition. You can see this is the title bar. Whichever report we are created here, it will display here. For example, I will give you, I right now we are selected only blank report. That why it was showing and title. I am keeping it name hello. Now you can see my report name is hello is displayed here and it was last saved today at 11:59 p.m. This is our title bar. Next we have home button here. The home button is where you will prefer mostly daily tasks. Like you are want to get data from any Excel, SQL Server folder, web, you can get from here. Excel, OneLake, SQL Server, enter data manually. These are the component of the all shown. If you want select more, it will open another window which will characterize all the things databases whichever it's supported by Power BI for importing the data. It is showing here. Now we are having insert tab here. The insert ribbon allow you to add visual objects like text box, images, button, shapes, icons, AI visuals. This will help you make report interactive. This is the text box, button, shapes, images, generated reports, Power Apps, Power Automate. This kind of all the visuals are shown in this tab. Next one is our modeling tab. In this modeling tab, the ribbon is used for creating calculations. Like we want to create new measures, new tables. This way we can use this way. It has most are disabled because we are not in that state. Otherwise, it was enabled. New measure, quick measure, new columns we want to add in our data. We can do the data modeling in by using this tab. Next is our view ribbon. The view ribbon control how Power BI looks. You can see this is our page view mode, fit to page. This is our mobile layout, grid line we want to show or not, snap to grid, lock objects, filters. This also have performance analyzer for checking the performance of our report, how the report and which component of the report is taking more time. Now next ribbon is our optimize ribbon. If you spot is report is slow, the optimizer ribbon help improve performance. You will find pause, visual performance analyzer, optimizer present, and this kind of help in identify which large dataset or dataset is having problem and which component of the report is having problem. Next is help. In this, we have general training videos, guided learning documentation about the Power BI blog and community. You can directly submit it here, ideas. That's way you can use this help reports. Now this is the default Power BI structure. Now on the left side we have report views. We are on the report view right now. Now I'm going click on the table view. It will show you the tables data here. If I imported any data or I am imported any data, I will show you how import data. Then you will better understanding of this. I'm going to connect my local server. I'm using import mode. These are the different databases present. I am right now in Modbot, so it was using my window authentication for SQL Server. I will show you import one tables here. I will keep on employee table. This is our data. It is showing here. It pick all the column names and their data. I am selecting that. I can directly reload that data into our Power BI, or if I want to change some modifications and things, then I can go to transform data. If I want to bring all the related tables with the data, then I will select the related table data. Right now, I am only importing employee table data. So I'm directly loading. Now you can see 290 rows are imported from our Adventure database to our Power BI. These are the different fields present in our database. Suppose I want to remove this column or add new column. Then I can do transformation here by pressing delete button and yes. So in this way, I can modify my data. I do not need any suffix, so I can also delete this column. In this way, I can transform the data here in Power BI table view. Now we are moving to next to model view. This is the model view. This will show the relation between our databases, between the different tables. If I selected any another table or show related table, it will show you the graph-like structure of that employee table, what are related to this table. It will show one to many, many to many relations and star schema, so no schema. That is essential for our report building. So we can go through this by preparing from this model view. Now, now we are on the visualization pane. We will see these are for using for the DAX queries. This is newly added features, so this is used for DAX and TMDL views. I'm switching back to report view. This is our visualization pane. Here the visualization of the data we can see. Suppose I want to see the data in a table format. So I simply click and drag this table into our report view. Now our table view is here. I can take any of the data. I will pick middle name. You can see all the middle names in our table view data. If I can also pick first name, then you can see first name and middle name are also in the data. I want to see the phone number of them, and you can see the first name, middle name, and phone number. In this way, we can use different type of visualization panes. It consists of tables, metrics, bars, slicer, bar chart, column chart, line chart, area chart, pie chart, etc. Next is our data field. You can see in this data we have human resource table which we added from SQL Server, and it will show you the all the columns present in this. This can also summarize the data according to their need. Next is our filter. This is our filter. You can see we can add field any number, anything we can filter here. This is used for filtering the data. We can filter at page level, report level, drill through filter, and visual filters. Now next one is page add page. We can add page to our reports, page 2, page 3. With this tab we can add page to our reports. You can also open our Power Builder query by choosing transformation data. If you want to query any data or want to remove any column, rename any column, merge queries, append, split column, change data type, remove duplicates, these kind of things you can do in this Power Query tab, Power Query windows. It's taking time to open. This is our Power Query window. You can see we already removed one column. If you want, it will show that column again. Then we can directly press this button and it will automatically place this column here. It has various options. You can remove any column, remove any rows from this. You can pivot or unpivot the data. You can split the columns by functions. You can use create new measures, new calculated columns by using this Power Query tab. In this way, you can utilize all the power, all the all these functions by using this Power Query window. In this way, we can utilize the Power BI. That is the complete overview of Power BI desktop interface. Once you are familiar with these components, creating professional reports become much easier. In this next video, we will show you import and export data from Excel and build our first interactive dashboard step by step. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.